Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to another session where we tackle common fitness issues and provide you with easy solutions to stay healthy and fit. Today, I'm tackling a common issue, the dowager's hump, also known as a buffalo hump or neck hump. This condition can be quite bothersome and affect your overall posture and appearance. It's that pesky deposit of fatty tissue right at the base of your spine. This buildup can create a noticeable hump that many find unsightly and uncomfortable, often caused by poor posture. Think rounded shoulders and a forward-leaning chin. These habits can develop over time, especially if you spend long hours sitting at a desk or looking down at your phone. But fret not, I've got some simple exercises that can help you combat it. With regular practice, you can improve your posture and reduce the appearance of that neck hump. First things first, let's talk about posture. Good posture is the foundation of a healthy spine and can prevent many issues, including the dowager's hump. Before diving into the exercises, it's crucial to maintain good posture. Keep your back upright and avoid constant tension. Imagine a string pulling you up from the top of your head, aligning your spine naturally. Now let's get into it. These exercises are designed to strengthen your back muscles and improve your posture. Exercise number 1 is the YWTL. This sequence targets different muscle groups in your upper back and shoulders. Sounds like an alphabet lesson, right? Laugh. But trust me, it's super effective. Here's how you do it. Raise your arms in the air with palms facing forward. Pull back with straight elbows and hold for 30 seconds. This position engages your upper back muscles. Bring your elbows down, arms spread out to the sides. Hold for 30 seconds. This is the W position, which helps to open up your chest and strengthen your mid-back. Extend your arms straight out to the sides. Hold for 30 seconds. This T position works on your shoulder blades and upper back. Position your forearms at a 90-degree angle, pointing down. Hold for 30 seconds. This L position targets your lower traps and helps in stabilizing your shoulder blades. This exercise stretches and straightens your thoracic spine. It's a great way to counteract the effects of poor posture. Next, we have the shoulder blade squeeze. This exercise is simple yet highly effective in strengthening your upper back. Place your hands behind your back and grab your wrists. This position helps to open up your chest and prepare your muscles for the squeeze. Squeeze your shoulder blades together while tilting your head back and taking a deep breath in. Feel that stretch? This movement helps to activate your upper back muscles and improve your posture. This one is super effective. You'll feel the difference almost immediately. Now let's move on to the wall slide with neck tilt. This exercise targets the muscles around your neck and upper back. Place one arm against the wall and slide it upwards. This movement helps to stretch and strengthen your shoulder muscles. Turn your head towards the opposite side and tilt. Hold for 15 seconds, then switch sides. Be cautious, avoid dizziness. This exercise helps to improve the flexibility and strength of your neck muscles. This exercise targets the specific area often associated with dowager's humps and pain. Regular practice can help to reduce discomfort and improve your posture. Remember to perform these exercises regularly. Consistency is key to seeing improvements and maintaining good posture. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out my other videos for more information and strategies. I've got plenty of tips and exercises to help you stay fit and healthy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps me create more content to help you on your fitness journey. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Keep working on your posture and stay healthy. Goodbye and take care.